Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. As you see, I have some nice artwork the kids have done. This week we're learning about the planet Earth, where we live. So yesterday they did the planet Earth with finger paint. So as you guys saw, they used their finger, dabbed it in the color blue for the water, and then dabbed it in the color green for the land. So that was pretty fun. Next, today we talked about how we keep the earth clean. So earlier today, I made a mess on the carpet. So there's all kind of trash on the beach. Please pick up each trash and put it in the garbage can. So they had fun doing that. And then next, our second art project, we did a little book. So it says, I can see a earth clean, I see clean water, I see clean air, I see healthy trees. So what you can do, you're just going to cut along the lines right here. It'll make 4 squares, and then I'm going to staple it together. And be a little book for them to take home, and they can read it to their mom and dad. So you guys have a wonderful day. Keep our earth clean, and talk to you guys later. Bye.